Namaste students. In this video we are going to see exercise 8.4 fifth problem in that 9th and 10th subdivision problem. First 9th subdivision problem that cosecant A minus sin A cosecant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. They have given one hint that simplify the LHS and RHS separately. So I am going to take the LHS first. LHS, that cosecant A minus sin A and secant A minus cos A. Here we don't have any square, so we can't apply any trigonometric identity, but we can simplify that. Instead of cosecant A, we can write the reciprocal cosecant A 1 divided by sin A. Reciprocal formula we can apply. For secant A, we can apply 1 by cos A. Clear? This one I am going to apply here. That instead of cosecant A, 1 by sin A minus sin A, and instead of cos A, 1 divided by cos A minus cos A. Take a LCM. Sin A 1 minus, here we don't have anything in the denominator, so you have to multiply with this. Sin square A. Already we have one sin A, and if we multiply with the sin A, what we will get? Sin square A. Then 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. Yes, we got square. Now we can apply any identity here, no? Yes. Which identity we can choose? First identity, sin, cos. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity only I am going to use. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the main trigonometric identities, and other trigonometric identity also we can derive by using the main trigonometric identity. So here we have 1 minus sin square A. When we will get 1 minus sin square theta, if we shift this one, we will get negative. So cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and here we have 1 minus cos square. So I am going to shift cos square to the right hand side. Then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So instead of 1 minus sin square, we can apply cos square. And instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we can apply sin square theta. Clear, children? Now listen. 1 minus sin square A, no? So instead of that, we can apply cos square A divided by sin A. And instead of 1 minus cos A, we can apply sin square A divided by cos A. It is in multiplication only, no? We can cancel 1 cos and here 1 sin, here 1 sin. Okay. So what will be the remaining? Cos A, sin A. Mark this as 1. Mark this as equation 1. Okay. And then now take RHS. You have to get this same answer only. RHS 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. Here we don't have any square. We can't apply any trigonometric identity, but we can simplify. How we can simplify? Tan A is equal to sin A divided by cos A. And cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. We can apply. Clear, Kana? So 1 divided by, instead of tan, I am going to substitute sin A divided by cos A, plus instead of cot A, I can substitute cos A divided by sin A. Keep the numerator as it is, 1 as it is, and simplify the denominator. Simplify the denominator. Take LCM. What will be the LCM, Kana? Cos A, sin A. Cos A, sin A. Here we don't have cos A. So here we have cos A, but we don't have sin A. So we have to multiply by sin A, sin A. And here we don't have cos A. So multiply by cos A, cos A. Clear? So sin A into sin A is sin square A, plus cos A into cos A is cos square A. Then 1 divided by sin square A plus cos square A is what? Sin theta plus cos theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So instead of this, I can substitute 1 divided by cos A sin A. Now it is in division, no? So I am going to reciprocal this one to change into multiplication. 1 into cos A sin A divided by 1. So the answer is cos A sin A. Mark this as equation 2. Therefore, first equation is equal to second equation, that is LHS is equal to RHS. So which point you have to remember in this problem, Kana? Just you have to simplify this one. This one you have to remember and take LCM and then simplify. Clear? For this problem also you have to remember this change, that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. And here also you have to apply identity, trigonometric identity, sin square A plus cos square. Whenever is need, you can apply the trigonometric identity. Clear? But you have to choose the correct identity. 1 divided by cos A sin A, reciprocal this one to change into multiply, cos A sin A divided by 1. So therefore the answer is cos A sin A. Are you all clear, children? 10th subdivision problem. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to, not plus sign, is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is equal to tan square A. So you have to prove this one is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one. Okay, first I am going to take this one and I am going to prove that tan square A. First LHS 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. Clear? So in terms of tan only we have, so I'm going to change this cot alone. Clear, Kana? In terms of, I have to prove in terms of tan square, tan. So I'm going to change cot into tan, but not tan. I'm not going to change the tan. Clear, Kana? So cot, how we can change? By reciprocal. 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A. So instead of cot, I'm going to substitute 1 by tan A. 1 plus tan square A, keep the numerator as it is, and the denominator alone, change it. 1 plus 1 by tan square A. Clear? Change the denominator alone. Instead of cot, substitute 1 by tan. And take LCM in the denominator, that 1 plus tan square A divided by tan square A. Take a LCM. What will be the LCM, Kana? Tan square A. Then you have to multiply here. Tan square A plus 1. And reciprocal this one, because this is main division. This is the main division. Keep it in mind. Don't confuse yourself. Okay. So 1 plus tan square A. This is the numerator. I'm going to reverse the denominator to change into multiply. Tan square A plus 1. See here. The two things are same, no? Now we can cancel this one and this one. So what will be the remaining? Tan square A. Mark this as 1. So we proved, not 1, we proved the first thing, that 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. We proved the first one. And then next, which one you have to prove? That 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A is equal to, whole square is equal to tan square A you have to prove. Again, this you have to prove as tan square A. Here also I am not going to change a tan, I am going to change cot alone. So 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 by tan A, the whole square. And then take LCM for the denominator. Take LCM for the denominator. Tan A minus 1 whole square. This is the division. And then now reciprocal it, 1 minus tan A into tan A reciprocal it, tan A minus 1, the whole square. See here, you can cancel this too. Here we have 1 plus tan square A and tan square A plus 1. So we can cancel this one because both are positive. But here 1 minus tan A and tan A minus 1, both are different. No? So first you have to change into tan A minus 1. How we can change the negative values? If we take the negative outside, then it will automatically change. That only I am going to do here. Okay. So I am going to take a negative sign here. Take a negative sign outside. Then negative will be positive and positive will be negative. Write the remaining as it is, that tan A divided by tan A minus 1, the whole square. Be clear, this is very easy only. One thing only you have to remember in this formula, that tan A, 1 by tan A, cot A, instead of cot A, you have to substitute 1 by tan A. That only you have to remember. Remaining things you can simplify easily, and this changing of negative sign, that you have to remember. Now you can cancel this too, that tan A minus 1 and tan A minus 1. So the remaining is minus tan A the whole square. If you square this one, what you will get? Negative will become positive and is equal to tan square A. So next thing also we proved that 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is also the same answer, that tan square A. Clear kana? What the thing you have to remember in this problem? This cot, instead of cot you have to substitute the reciprocal, and then you have to take a LCM, reciprocal this one, and then cancel, and you will get tan square A. Here also you have to remember this reciprocal formula. You have to apply the reciprocal formula. And then one thing you have to remember here, that negative, this one you have to remember. This negative you have to remember. Okay. So we proved that 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A, and 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A the whole square is also the same answer, that tan square A. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.